Now you have logged into your account. So now let us learn how to give the lesson, notes on that lesson, and inform the students regarding this through a message. For this, on your panel, you will click on a class for which you want to give the lesson and notes. So we will click on class 6A. You will find that all the channels are opened here. All the channels: English, Hindi, Math, Sanskrit, Science, Social Science. Select the appropriate channel of your subject. We want to give a lesson and notes in English, so we will click English here. Here at the top, you will find that the English channel has opened. So before giving any lesson to the students, ensure that you have saved a lesson in your laptop or PC or mobile. For your convenience, please make a folder on your desktop and then save all your lessons and assignments in that folder. This way, you can manage your lessons easily. So now, to give the lesson to the student, click on the files under your channel. So the files panel is opening. Since you have already saved your lesson on the desktop, now you need to only upload that lesson. Click here on the upload file, and see this that folder where you have saved your lessons has opened. So your lesson can be a Word file, or you can write the lesson with your hand and then save here on the desktop, or it can be a video file. Any lesson you can send. So we are going to send a Word file to the student. So the name of the lesson is A Tale of Two Birds, chapter 1. So click on open. The lesson is being uploaded. So now it is uploaded here. Now you want to give notes on this lesson to the students. So click on notes. Notes panel is opening. So how you will give the notes? Yeah. This is the panel where you will be writing the notes. So first, this is the title, A Tale of Two Birds. After the heading, click below that, just write the notes. Birds lived in a forest. Birds died due to storm. Like this, you have given the notes. Just click outside here. So the notes and lesson has gone to the students of your class. It will also be reflected in the panels of other teachers, those who are teaching the class 6A. So now how to send the message in the same channel? Click on the posts. Here at the bottom, write a message, whatever you want. Dear students, I have sent you a lesson on chapter 1, a tales of a tale of two birds and notes on it. So you will send this message from by clicking on the send button here. So this lesson of English notes on that and a message has gone to the students. Now I am going to show how the Hindi teachers will send their message about their lessons and notes to the students. Click on the Hindi channel, click on the files, in the same way as we have done for English, we will upload the lesson or any video file. So we have uploaded the lesson वह चिड़िया जो. So it is uploaded. Now we want to send the notes to the students. So here the notes can be typed in Hindi. That's why I repeated this process for Hindi teachers. How that Hindi can be typed here? Just click in the panel of the notes and just see if you are using laptop or desktop. Just see at the bottom here. Click on this. This is Google Input Tools or Unicode. Click on it and you select the Hindi Google Input Tools. Now whatever you will type, it will be typed in Hindi only. So, but as you speak, you type from your keyboard. So वह चिड़िया CHIDYA, like this you type. CHID. So here you will see the chidiya. Just select that. वह चिड़िया जो like this. So click below. Just you can type the notes. JUNDI. Jundi. What word is Jundi? Jundi mean Jawar. like this. These are the nodes. Any node you can. Undale. Undale mean dalna. So like this. Like this, you can give the nodes. So similarly, you can send the message in Hindi to the students. Click here on the message. Dear students, a lesson on वह चिड़िया जो डियर स्टूडेंट ए लेसन ऑन वह चिड़िया जो भेज रहा like this you can send the message. You can click here on send. Now we will remove this Google input tool, otherwise it will create problem. So now we will be waiting from the student to send us the response. Now we have sent the lesson and notes to the students. Naturally, we will be now sending an assignment on that to the students. To send the assignment to the students, we will click on the appropriate class or team for which we want to send the assignments. Here we are clicking now 6th A. The assignment is by default given in general channel. So here you see the general channel is open. Here the assignment is there. We will click on it. And click on get started. The second method is to give the assignment from here also, from the left hand side panel. Click on the assignments. Then select the appropriate class for which you want to give the assignment. Click 6A and then click on next. Like this, both way you can give the assignment. Now click on get started. Here you find on the left hand side button create is there. You click on that. You will find that 3 sub menus has popped up. So one is assignments, quiz, and then from existing. The difference between all these three is that in the assignment, a teacher has to type in or write the questions, and the students will write the answers and return to you. Mean you have to type or write the question and answers. In the quiz, question and answers are ready-made. The benefit of the quiz is that they are automatically checked and the students can see the right choice also at the same time. So the teacher need not to check the quiz. When creating the quiz, automatically the teacher can set the options there. Third one is from existing. Means if a teacher is teaching the same subject to more than one class, then the assignments can be shared from one class to another class. This is from existing means for that purpose. So now let us now give one assignment to the student. Click on the assignment. The assignment panel is opening. Here you have to write the title of the assignment. My English assignment. A tale of two birds. This is the title for the assignment. Then write the instructions here. You have to write the questions, etc. here, whatever you want. So we can write the question. How did the mother died? Before this, we can write instruction like write the answers to the following questions. So the next question will be, where did the birds live? Like this, these are the two questions we have framed on the chapter A Tale of Two Birds. Here you can write the marks for these two questions, 2 marks for each, so total 4. Here this is assigned to all the student of 6A. If you want to send to few students, you can select from here, assign to, and write the name of those students. So due date is here. We will click on it and select the due date. It is 16 May and let us write the time. It is 16:59 or 16:50. We can write whatever the time we want to give them. So like this, we can send the assignment. The second method is that you can type the assignment separately on your computer in the Word format, or you can write the questions by hand and then after taking a picture of that, save to your appropriate folder on the desktop, and then you can add from here by clicking on add resources. So you can upload from this device here the file. We will not load that since already we have typed the assignment. So after doing all these things, we can assign it to the class by clicking on the assign button. So the assignment has gone to the students. Now, since we are giving the Hindi assignment, we will activate the Unicode Google Input Tools for Hindi and write the title in Hindi only. वह चिड़िया जो, वह चिड़िया जो. This is the title. So now instructions. प्यारे बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, कृपया जल्दी जल्दी उत्तर दें. Like this, we have written the instructions for the students. So now we will add the assignment. The teacher has already written the assignment, and we will upload that. Add sources. And click on upload from this device. Select the appropriate folder. Here we will first select English, then click the appropriate folder, lessons. In that, the assignment is this. So it is uploaded. When uploaded, click on done. So how many marks we can write here? It is for 4 marks. It is assigned to all the students of 6A, and here we are giving the date 16 and the time is 16:59, or you can write any time. Then click on assign. Now this way you have learned on how to give the assignment in the Microsoft Teams itself and how to upload your assignments. when the window open, you will find that this one more assignment is left to be reviewed. Let us review the same assignment in the manner as you have previously reviewed. Here, since it is Hindi assignment, you can again activate the Google input tools in Hindi and give the feedback here. So बहुत अच्छा, 4 marks given, and click on return. This way, the student's assignment has been reviewed. Now click on close. Similarly, you can respond to the student who has not turned in like this. All the assignments have been checked. So again, to check if any assignment is left to be reviewed by the teacher, you can click on the assignments or you can go back here and you will find everything has been graded. Now, suppose a Hindi teacher is teaching in both 6A and 6B. Now, the teacher has sent his lessons and notes in 6th A and also sent his assignments to the students of class 6th A. Now, since the same syllabus is there, how he will send the assignments of 6A to 6B? Click on appropriate class 6B and in the assignments tab, click on it or as earlier told, you can click here on the assignments in the left hand panel also. Now this assignments window has opened. You will click on create and click on from existing. From existing, already we have given the assignment in 6A. So click here 6A, then click next. Here we will select the assignment and click next. Now you see this assignment has opened in the 6th B panel and the same assignment वह चिड़िया जो 4 points and now automatically here it is giving the date, so you can change the date whatever the date you want. So this way automatically this assignment has been assigned to the students of 6B. Now when uploaded, click on assign and you will find the message here regarding the assignment. See, assignment 6B general. So like this, you can give the assignment from one class to another class. How to give a quiz assignment to the students? For this, click on the assignments, then select the appropriate class for which you want to give the assignment, then click on the next. Then click on the create button, click on the quiz. Here in the forms dialog box, click on the new form. You will see that the forms window is opening. So when opened, you click on the new quiz. So the form for creating the quiz has opened. Now give the title here. This is my new quiz. Here, give the description. Select the correct choice. So now to create the question, click here at the add new. So now from this menu, select the choice so that you can create option type questions. First question here, write, where were the birds living? Write the option in Kerala, in forest. So now there are no more options. So by clicking on the add option, you can create one new option here. This is the Kochi option. So now what is the correct answer? Select that, and in front of that option, you tick mark the correct answer. So here it is the correct answer. So the benefit of this is that when the students are answering the quiz assignment, then they will be able to see the correct answer after they have responded to all the questions. So it is a self-checking form, so you need not to check it. Here, write the points for the question. So 1 point for one question. So like this, you can now create another question by clicking on add new, or here you can copy the question by clicking on it. So you will see that the question has been copied, so you can change it. Who is the principal of our KV? Shri Anil Mohan, Shri Pyara Lal, Srimati Geeta Warrior. So which is the correct answer? You mark that and give the point. So it is for 1 point only. So like this, when we have finished all the questions, on the top in the preview bar, you can click, and this type of form will be presented to the student. Now the student will mark the correct options here. So like this, he can mark and can click on submit when finished. So here in the view result, the answers marked by the student can be viewed. So here same marked, here also same. So the student has scored 100% in this. So like this he can view. So now when you have created the quiz and checked its preview and tested by submitting one response, then you can either click this, close this Microsoft Forms window, or just you can click on the assignments window here. Then again go to the create button, click on quiz, and in the forms dialog box you select the quiz which you have just created. This is my new quiz. Click on it. When selected, click on the next. So you will find that the quiz is appearing here, 2 marks. So here you can change the date, and here you can change the time. When all is done, you can click on assign. So like this, the quiz assignment has been given to the students. Now we will wait for the response from the students and see how to check the quiz assignments. Now, how to review the quiz assignment? Click on the assignment. Select the appropriate class and click on next. You will find that this is my quiz assignment is pending to be reviewed. Click on it. See here, 2 grades graded 0. It means we have not reviewed any student's assignment. So all are pending. So it is opening here. So now to review the assignment one by one, click either on the student or here. The student's response is opening. So when opened, click on the more options and click on the post scores. Click on post. Now click on close here. So now one student assignment has been reviewed and score has been posted to the student. Now click on the other student. In the same way, when the response is opened, click on the more options and click on the post scores. Click on post. because these assignments you need not to check, they are automatically checked. So click on close. Here you will find that all the students assignment has been reviewed, and when this is done you will find in the graded 2. It means there were 2 students and the assignment of both the students has been reviewed. Next is go to the grades to check the grades of various assignments awarded to the students. You will find here this is the class 6A. There are student 3 and student 4, 2 students. This is the assignments. A tale of two birds. Both have got 4. वह चिड़िया जो, one student has got 4 and one has got 3 marks. This is my new quiz. Out of 2, they have scored 2. And this is there is another quiz. This is my quiz. Both have scored 2 marks. So like this, you have reviewed the grades also. This was all about Microsoft Teams. Now I will be discussing some general points about it.